Hey Ridgeline. Hey Ridgeline, I wanted to take a minute and show you how to access the library on our website, just because things are a little bit different this year and it's hard to get down to the library. So I will be glad to deliver, and I just need to know what you need. So this video is going to be a little rough. I'm not going to do several takes of it, but stick with me and you'll find out how to use one of the features of our library system that maybe you didn't know about. So if you start on your Ridgeline High School page, most of you hopefully know this, but there is a library link right here. And if you click on that, it takes you to many options for the library. They're all amazingly valuable, but today we want to talk about the actual library. So you're going to click on the Ridgeline Library Catalog Search. Now, you probably knew about this. Yeah, you can search in the catalog, but more importantly, what I want to show you is that if you log in, you can place holds and communicate with me a little bit better. So when you click on log in, it will come up with a username and password. Now, I'm using a username and password that I am familiar with, but it's just your regular username, your regular password, and when you log in, your name should appear up here. Now this is a student account, so you can't check in and check out books, but there are many options for you to do. First thing I would do is switch over to catalog, and now you can just look up and see, do I have a certain book? So I've heard about this great Army book called The Last Punisher, and I'm gonna, if you just hit enter, it might work. I always click on title just to make sure. Oh look, yeah, there it is. This is exactly the book that I would like. It says here that it's available, but because I can't make it down to the library, I still want to put it on hold. So I am going to click on that, and this tells you a little bit more about it. You can read, you can find out if that's really the book that you want. And then when you click on hold it, that's when it communicates with me as a librarian. It will request the hold. It will tell you to hurry and go pick it up. Don't worry about that, because I'm going to deliver it to you if you want to hold the book. Now, that's a great book. I want to get a couple more. I wouldn't do a ton of books, but you can select one or more. So, oh, here's Diary of a Wimpy Kid. I really, really want that, but oh, it doesn't say over here that it's available. These are ebooks that are available in Sora. And if you remember, Sora is one of our options back here on the library website. So you could go back and find it yourself because it's an ebook, but you're not going to find it here in the library right now. So let me think of another book that maybe isn't in the library. So my friend has told me about this new book called The Silent Patient. So I'm going to go back to catalog to refresh, and I'm going to type in The Silent Patient. It's a psychological thriller. And I click on it, and oh, yep, the library has it. Oh, wait, it's not available. That's okay. I still want it, and I'm willing to wait for it. So I'm still going to click on over here. I really, really want it. It tells me when it's due, and I really, really want it. So again, I click on the title, and I still can have the option to hold it. Now the little message it's going to tell me is different. Oh, it's not here yet, but we'll let you know. And hopefully I will let you know by delivering the book to you. So I have held it. It's already requested. Every day as librarian, I get a long email showing all the holds that are ready, and I'm going to use that list more effectively this year to get items to you. So quickly, as a reminder, to use this library service, you're going to go to Ridgeline High School, click on the library, click on the Ridgeline Catalog Search right there, and then choose to log in and do this reserving and the searching that you need. Thanks. Please use this service, and I will see you when I come around to deliver your books.